In this third section of our course on Italian fascism, we shall concentrate on the social politics of Mussolini's regime. This section hopefully helps us to understand why Mussolini and the fascist regime nevertheless had also supporters and admirers both in Italy and abroad. A glaring example is Winston Churchill, who, as late as in 1933, when the National Socialist Party came to power in Germany, is said to have called Mussolini the Roman genius and the greatest lawgiver among living men. But also, in this section we shall treat the most horrendous crimes the fascist regime committed. The meaning of studying history is to understand it, and this is particularly true when studying sinister phenomena like fascism. Past will not fade away by ignoring it. On the contrary, we have to understand history, understand how things can go wrong in order not to repeat the same mistakes and atrocities. The black and white vision of the world is also very naive. Things are usually much more complicated to be simply classified as absolutely bad and absolutely good. Grey alone has a number of shades, like black and white. In this section, we shall learn about Mussolini's quite modern and successful social politics with which the regime tried to answer to the challenges of the rising mass society, but also the most horrendous pages in the history of Italian fascism, namely racism and racial laws. Hopefully, during this section, we will get some new ideas about how to construct a better and more tolerant world.